If you'd like to see what I eat in a day on the Weight Watcher Blue plan that helped me lose 126 pounds, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name's Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm doing a what I eat in a day on the Weight Watcher Blue plan. So I'm going to bring you along for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a couple of snacks. I hope you enjoy, so come on along and maybe you'll get some ideas to help you with your weight loss program on Weight Watchers. For breakfast today, I made some French toast with a fruit topping. For lunch, I made a 2-ingredient dough Stromboli. And for dinner, I made a slow cooker recipe with orange chicken. And then for dessert, I'm making some spiced pumpkin muffins. So for breakfast, I'm making some fruit-topped French toast. I took an egg, a tablespoon of fat-free half and half, some cinnamon and vanilla, and I mixed it up. And then I'm going to dip each piece of Sara Lee's Delightful bread, which is only 1 point per piece. And then I'm going to soak them in the egg mixture, and I sprayed a pan with some spray, and I'm going to cook the French toast. Once they were browned on each side, I flipped them, and then I served them with some frozen berries that I microwaved for about 20 seconds, and it made a syrup, and they were so yummy. I'm going to start my dinner. I used 1.5 pounds of frozen chicken breast. I cut up an onion. I used 4 ounces of frozen orange juice concentrate, half a cup of sugar-free barbecue sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, a pinch of chopped red pepper, and a tablespoon of garlic. Then I put it on for 4 hours on high in the slow cooker. When it was lunchtime, I made a Stromboli. I used a half a cup of self-rising flour, sprinkled some garlic in it, and then I added a half a cup of non-fat Greek yogurt, and I mix these ingredients together. It makes a sticky kind of dough, so you got to make sure you use flour to work with it. And I was going to make 2 Strombolis, so I kind of mix it together, and then I separated it into 2 balls of dough once it was the right consistency. Then I put some flour on it because I'm going to roll it out. I kind of shaped it out a little bit first so it would be easier, rolled it around in the flour, and then I tried to make it into a rectangle shape so I could roll it out to make the Stromboli. And you have to be careful with that. It is kind of sticky to work with, so you got to make sure you use a lot of flour. Then once that is done, I will start adding the ingredients that I'm going to put inside of my Stromboli. I'm going to sprinkle some garlic powder on it, and then I'm going to add a quarter cup of fat-free mozzarella cheese, and then I will spread that out. Then I'm going to add some turkey pepperoni, and I put about 8 slices on that, and then I added 2 tablespoons of ragu pizza sauce. Then I'm going to attempt to roll it up. You have to be careful. Turkey pepperoni isn't real flexible, and I wanted to keep everything tucked inside, so I rolled that up as best I could, and then once it was done, I tucked in the sides so the ingredients wouldn't come out. And really, you can use whatever ingredients you want inside of this: peppers, onions, just don't overstuff it. And then once that is done, I'm going to put a few slits on the top of it so when it's baking it will not break open. Now I'm going to put it in my air fryer, and I'm going to do an egg wash on it, and then I will sprinkle some everything but the bagel seasoning on top, and I put it in the air fryer at 400 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. I just check it to make sure it doesn't brown too much, and it comes out and it is so good. This was an excellent lunch. Try it. Cheesy pizza goodness inside that Stromboli. Now here's my dinner plate. I had a serving of the orange chicken with some oriental vegetables, and I made some cauliflower rice, which I mixed with regular rice, and that turned out really good. Now for dessert, I made some easy pumpkin spice muffins or cupcakes. All it takes is an egg, a box of spice mix, and a can of real pumpkin, and I mixed everything together, and I put them in my non-stick silicone muffin pan, and this recipe makes about 18 muffins. They are 3 points a piece, and they came out so good. You just bake them in the oven for 15 minutes at 400 degrees, and they come out of nicely brown, nice tray of muffins. My snack after dinner is a pumpkin spice muffin and an iced coffee. I like to have coffee and a pastry. And that's what I'm eating now. Iced coffee and a muffin. See the muffin? It's so tasty. So this is a new snack I've found. These Quest chips, protein chips. This whole bag is only 3 points, and they are really good. This is taco tortilla style loaded taco, they're called, and these are so yummy. Try them. I bought them at Target. They're a little pricey, but they are good. Nice and light and just real tasty. So I just want to tell you about those. So that's the end of my day. I'm ending the day with 23 out of 24 points, so I have 1 point carryover. So I hope you enjoyed this video and what I ate in a day on the Weight Watcher Blue plan. Please comment below if you're going to try any of these recipes. I really enjoy reading your comments, and I appreciate you watching my video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.